Okay, now we're taking this out in the back. We've taken some of this out in here, down through here, and through the eyes. So now we're going to go to the front side and get some of that carved out. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Bigger. You want to make sure you don't make your holes too big, otherwise your eyes will fall through. Then you'll have to do more work in the back. I know these are going to need to be bigger, but I don't want to go outside my lines right now because I want to get this inside so I get a good fit before I see how much farther I want to make these holes. So now we'll go back on the inside and take some more out on the inside. So now we're getting at where we want it. So we're going to keep working on this to get it nice and smooth so our eyes fit in there good, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.